The 2 MVA pad mount transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. This industrial transformer features a dual-rated primary voltage of 3-phase 12,470 volt delta and a secondary voltage of 3-phase 480Y and 277 volt Y. The following gauges are also included with the system: liquid level, temperature, and pressure and vacuum gauges. This transformer features an automatic action fault pressure device. An input voltage switch allows the transformer to be switched between primary voltages. This unit has a primary loop feed for single installations and dead front primary connections. This transformer also features a 5-position tap changer. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.